Welcome back to the video. In this video, I will show you now how to save web page for later in Google search. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google search. After you open up your Google search, let's say for instance, I'm searching for a particular website. So here, I'm going to search for Netherlands, Netherlands.com and hit enter. It can be any website, okay, Netherlands.com and hit search. Just like so. So we have the website open up like so. Now, like for instance, you want to save this particular web page. Maybe you do not have much time to read the article on the website right now. So you can easily click on this particular icon right here, which allow you to save the entire web page. Just like so, save and add to collection. It's that simple. Once you save it, for you to view all the saved websites, go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Then you can easily click on view saved right here. Then you have access back to all saved websites and collections right here. Open up the collection. Then you have the website right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.